In this guide, I'm going to show you guys the iOS 26 settings you need to turn off right now to make your iPhone faster, cooler, and more efficient. First, let's start with Liquid Glass. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Accessibility, choose Display and Text Size, then turn off Reduce Transparency. This removes those constant light refractions behind menus that waste power. Next, go back and tap Motion. Turn off Autoplay Video Previews. This stops videos from automatically playing when you scroll and saves both battery and awkward moments. Then find Limit Frame Rate and turn it on. This locks your display to 60Hz instead of 120Hz. You'll barely notice the difference, but your battery definitely will. Second, let's fix your battery settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Battery. At the bottom, select Charging. Here you'll see a new toggle called Charge Limit. Set it to 90%. This helps your battery last much longer without affecting your daily use. Below that, turn off Clean Energy Charging. You are charging your iPhone, not running a power grid. This setting can actually slow down your charging unnecessarily. Third, we will take care of background app refresh. For that, go to Settings, tap General, tap Background App Refresh. Tap the top option and choose Wi-Fi only. After that, scroll through your app list and think, does this app really need to turn in the background? For most apps, the answer is no. Turn them off and stop them from draining your battery while you are not even using them. Next, Hidden Privacy Traps. Tap your name at the top of the settings screen, then select Personal Information and go to Communication Preferences. Turn off announcements and apps, music, and more. Go back to the Apple account page and tap Subscriptions. If you have ever signed up for a free trial, this is where they hide. Cancel any you don't recognize. You'll still keep access until the trial ends, but you'll stop getting charged for things you forgot about. Likewise, sound settings. In settings, scroll down to sound and haptics, then tap keyboard feedback. Turn off both sound and haptic. That tiny vibration with every key press constantly drains your battery. While you are here, also turn off lock sound. It's necessary and saves a bit more power. Lastly, notifications and always on display. You don't want messages popping up while recording or screen sharing? Open settings, go to notification. Then select Screen Sharing and turn off Allow Notifications. Next, in Display and Brightness, scroll to Always on Display and toggle it off. Your lock screen will now go completely black, which looks cleaner and saves even more battery. And that's it. With these quick settings turned off, your iPhone will run cooler, last longer, and feel faster. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.